Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in cybersecurity with CrowdStrike, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin investing in cybersecurity through CrowdStrike, start by researching the company. Familiarize yourself with CrowdStrike's business model and the services they offer. Understand the cybersecurity landscape and how CrowdStrike fits within it. Visit CrowdStrike's official website and review their information about products and solutions. Read recent news articles and press releases to stay informed about their latest developments. Analyze CrowdStrike's financial performance by reviewing their quarterly earnings reports. Look for analyst ratings and target prices to gauge market sentiment on CrowdStrike's stock. Create a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a brokerage platform that aligns with your investment strategy. Once your account is set up, deposit funds into your brokerage account. Search for CrowdStrike's ticker symbol, which is CRWD, on your chosen platform. Review the stock's current price and performance data before making an investment decision. Decide how much you want to invest and consider your overall portfolio strategy. Place a market or limit order to buy shares of CrowdStrike. Monitor your investment regularly to track performance and news related to the company. Set up alerts to stay informed about significant stock price movements or company updates. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in other cybersecurity companies or sectors. Review your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals and market conditions. Stay updated on trends in the cybersecurity industry, as they can impact CrowdStrike's performance. Remember that investing involves risks, and it's important to do thorough research before making decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.